that exercise 10.3, let us see next question, that is fifth one. Fifth question. What is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot? What is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land? Rectangular plot of land 500 meter long and 200 meter wide. 500 meter long and 200 meter wide. At the rate of rupees 8 per, at the rate of rupees 8 per 100 meter square. Rupees 8 per 100 meter square. So here we need to tile this rectangular land. Means where we will tile that? Inside this plot. So inside that plot means what we need to find? Area. So find the area of this rectangular plot, and per 100 meter square it will cost how much rupees? 8. Then how much you will get the area? Multiply that by 8 divided by 100, because 8 rupees per 100 meter square. So you will get the answer. So we need to tile means we need to find the area. So per 100 meter square it will cost rupees 8. So how much you will get the area? Multiply that by 8 divided by 100. So let us see. Length they are given how much? 500 into breadth they are given how much? 200 meter. Now find the area of rectangle first. Area of a rectangular plot. So which is equal to formula is length into breadth, area of rectangle. So now length how much are given? 500 into breadth is 200. So multiply 500 into 200, you will get that 1 lakh meter square. 1 lakh meter square. This is what? Area of rectangular plot. So in this area we need to tile. Means we need to fix the tiles. So for fixing tile, how much it will cost? Per 100 meter square it will cost 8 rupees. Then for 1 lakh meter square it will cost how much rupees? So multiply this one by 8 divided by 100. So here now therefore cost of tiling, which is equal to, so area is 1 lakh meter square. Now cost is 8 per means divided by how much meter square? 100 meters. So now here 2020 get cancelled. So 8 into 1000, 8000. So rupees 8000. So cost of tiling is how much? Rupees 8000. Means for tiling this rectangular plot, we need to pay, or we need to do or give how much rupees? 8000 rupees. So this is about the solution of fifth question. Next, sixth one. A tabletop measures a tabletop meter. This one is 1 meter 50 centimeter. Then what is its area in square meters? What is its area in square meters? Square meters means meter square in symbol. You need to find that area in meter square. So, but for finding the area in meter square, here this one is already in meter, no problem. But here it is in meter and centimeter is there. But we need also in meter square. Means convert this centimeter in terms of meter. So here, what they are given? So tabletop measures 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. That means a length they are given how much? 2 meter. Next, breadth 1 meter 50 centimeter. So convert this meter centimeter into meter. So 1 plus, so 50. So convert centimeter into meter. So how will you convert that? 1 centimeter equals to how much meter? 100 meter. Sorry, 1 divided by 100 meter means divide this one by 100. So 1 plus. So 2 zeros are there. Keep the point to the 2 digits to the left side. So shift that point to the left side. Means how much you will get? 0.50. That means 1.50 meter. So this one in terms of meter is 1.50 meter. Now find the area of tabletop, that is in the shape of rectangle, because they are given length by breadth. So length by breadth means we need to find the area of rectangle. So therefore area of tabletop, so this is equal to length into breadth. So length how much is there? 2 meter into breadth is 1.50 meter. So multiply this, you will get that 3 meter square, because both are in meter only, so you will get meter square. So the area of tabletop is 3 meters square. And this is about the solution of 6th main question. And as the next question, 7th one. A room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. A room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. So means length they are given, long means length, wide means breadth. So how many square meters of carpet? How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor? Is needed to cover the floor. Floor that is not carpeted. That is not carpeted. So here a room 4 meter long, 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. So for that floor we need to carpet. So carpet means, so inside you will put that one or boundary inside. Carpet means, so inside you want what you need to find? Area. So how much area of this room you will get? That much area of carpet you need to or place on the the floor. So means area of rectangle will be the area of carpet. So length they are given how much? 4 meter. Breadth how much they are given? 3 meter 50 centimeter. So convert this one in terms of meter. So 3 meter 50 centimeter, which is equals to 3 plus 50 divided by 100. So shift the point to the left, to the 2 digits. Shift the point 2 digits to the left side. So now what you will get? 3 plus 0.50. So which is equals to 3.50 meter. Now find the area of carpet needed. Therefore, area of carpet needed, which is same as the area of the room. Area of the room. That is in the shape of rectangle. So what is the formula? Length into breadth. Length how much is there? 4 meter into breadth how much you got? 3.5 meter. So multiply. So 4 into 3.5. So how much you will get? 14 meter square. So the area of carpet needed is how much? 14 meter square. So this is about the solution of 7th main question. Let us the next question. 8th one. A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Means length 5 meter and breadth 4 meter. A square carpet of size 3 meter. A square carpet of 3 meter is laid on the floor. Is laid on the floor. So find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Here, a floor, it is in the shape of rectangle of length 5 meter and breadth 4 meter. This is a floor. So on that floor, we have put that square carpet of 3 meter. So here on this floor, we have put that this is a carpet of side 3 meter. Then find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Means, so remaining this is not carpeted. Find this area that is not carpeted. So this is carpeted by the square of 3 meter by the carpet, and this much shaded region was not carpeted. So that one you need to find. So how will you find that? First find the area of rectangle or the floor. In that, subtract the area of square carpet. You will get the area of the floor that is not carpeted. So first find area of the floor. So area of the floor means area of the rectangle. You will get whole, including this also. So now length into breadth. So length how much is there? 5. Into breadth is 4. So the answer is 20 meters square. This is what area of total floor. Next, find the area of the carpet. Area of carpet, which is equal to, that is the shape of square. Then what is the formula? Side into side. So side how much are given? 3 into 3. So the answer is 9 meters square. Means in that 20 meters square area of floor, we have carpeted how much area? Only 9 meters square. So remaining how much? Total area 20 is there. In that only 9 meters square we have carpeted. Then what we need to do? Subtract this from this. Means in that total area subtract the area of carpeted. You will get the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Therefore, area of the floor that is not carpeted. So which is equal to total area is 20 minus carpeted area is 9. So you will get the not carpeted area. So 20 minus 9, 11 meters square. So 11 meters square. So this is about the solution of 8th main question. Okay, so the next question, 9th one. The ninth question. By splitting 5 square flower beds, 5 square flower beds, 5 square flower beds, each of sides 1 meter, each of sides 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land, are dug on a piece of land. Five meter long and 4 meter wide. Of land 5 meter long and 4 meter long. Wide. 4 meter wide. Then what is the area of the remaining part of the land? What is the area of the remaining part of the land? So they are asked the question. Let us see what it is. So 5 square flower beds, each of sides 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. That means here is a rectangular piece of land that is 5 meter long and outside 1 meter. So then find the remaining area. So the remaining area is, this is shaded region. So then how you will find that? Find the total area of the land. Then find the area of these 5 beds. And subtract the area of 5 beds from the area of total area of the land. You will get the remaining part of the land. That's it. So here first find that area of land, which is equals to length into breadth, because they are given long and wide. So now length is 5 meter, breadth is 4 meter. So 5 into 4, 20 meters. This is what total area of the land. Now find the area of these 5 beds. Those are in the shape of square. Means find the area of one bed and multiply that one by 5. You will get the area of 5 beds. So now, and area of 5 beds. So which is equals to, how many beds are there? 5 into. So bed or area of one bed is side into side, because that is in the shape of square. So now 5 into side of the bed, how much are given? 1 meter. So 1 into 1. So 1 into 1, 1 into 5, 5. So that means area of 5 beds is how much? 5 meters square. Now remaining part of the land is how much? So total area is 20. Area of the 5 beds is 5, and remaining part is, subtract this 5 from 20. You will get the answer. Therefore, area of remaining part of land, so which is equals to total area is 20 and area of 5 beds 5. So 20 minus 5, 15 meters. This is what area of the remaining part of land. And this is about the solution of 9th main question. Okay. Try to solve the remaining questions of this exercise. We'll continue in the next class.